And by the way, as an example of what part 5 will be like, I'll give you a little taste. So, the flat earthers claim that we're spinning around at 1,000 miles an hour and how ridiculous all that is, and the planets and everything, how stupid. And then they turn around and say that we are now stationary and that everything else is okay to be spinning around us. Completely ridiculous. But anyway, let's move on to the very fact that they are freaking stupid because centrifugal force of a spinning object is increased as it spins faster and faster. But you see, I want you to sit and look at the Earth and watch a live feed of it, if we could, and we will one day. You can watch a video of the Earth spinning one revolution in 24 hours. An object that spins one time in 24 hours is not spinning around thousands and thousands of miles an hour like they want us to believe. They're trying to fool you. Think of the truth. We do one revolution, one spin per day, per 24 hours. So if you were to sit there and watch a ball spinning in 24 hours, it's so slow you really can't even barely see it from that perspective. From the global, universal perspective, the 1,000 miles an hour sounds like a lot to us because we're little puny humans, like an ant. But to universal standards, it's nothing. And I'm going to explain all that in part 5 even further. So, like I said, the flat earthers are saying 1,000 miles an hour, so it makes you think that something is spinning around super fast, and therefore the Earth in the equator zone would, bulge out now because of the centrifugal force. Which would be true if it was spinning around on its axis thousands of miles per hour. Well, not per hour, because that's not universal standards, that's human perspective. But if that Earth was to be spinning around super fast, then yes, everything on it would fly off, even though there is gravity that is being pulled to the center of the Earth. Imagine watching a video of the Earth spinning around one time in 24 hours. Anyway, that's why this airplane does not fly off, or humans on Earth don't go flying off, because the Earth is spinning super slow in relevance to its surroundings and to the universal standards. So I hope it's crystal ball clear to you that an object that makes one spin in 24 hours is barely moving at all. And if an object was to spin one revolution in an hour, it's incredibly beyond slow, beyond belief. But one revolution in 24 hours is incredibly slow, even from our standards. So now you know why the truth is that from our perspective, from the ground all the way to as far up as we can go, and what you agree with doesn't matter, because all of the pictures are relevant to one another and actually support one another, and it's the exact same view we get from flying in an airplane, or the views that we get from these high altitude balloons, rockets, and high altitude airplanes. And of course the NASA photos, everything. Well, NASA photos, who gives a shit if they doctor them or not? It doesn't matter. Because the truth is that everything is consistent all the way through. So in part 5, I'll be going more into that as well. But even Eric Dubious's video right here, his own video that he's trying to prove the Earth is flat, he proves that it's spherical totally 100%. Think of a sphere, get ready to look at the left side of the sphere, and you'll go over to the right side of the sphere. Unbelievable. Believe me, part 5 is going to take each and every one of these idiotic things that they hold on to, and I'm going to debunk every single one. Aloha, peace, love, and wisdom.
And the sun is a disk.
Shut up!